All right, we're at 8:13 p.m. July 26, 2024. Just doing this video for the cicadas. You can hear the cicadas. I'm gonna keep track of, I got videos when I first started hearing them, and then we're gonna see how long they last. So it's just kind of like there's nothing really going on. Except it looks really pink over there in the northwest. But I was just keeping track of the cicadas. And then I'm just gonna wait till it hits the minute mark. Oh, I'm probably gonna do some videos. Probably have to put it on the backup channel to those who listen to, about the opening ceremonies from the Olympics. Ugh, terrible blasphemy. All right, thanks for watching. God bless.